here. So I have all kinds of things in here, and oh my heavens, look at what I just discovered. This is actually an old heirloom of Stanford. Do any of you remember the best Chinese restaurant that was ever in Stanford? Chin's, on the very beginning of Long Ridge Road. Well, that was Chinese food at its best. You walked in there, you smelled the flavor, right? You know, my dad used to get shrimp and lobster sauce, and it was, I don't mean it in a bad way, but it smelled like low tide. You could smell the shrimp and the ocean in it and everything else. I used to get the sweet and sour chicken, and it was the best anywhere ever. It's never found anything like it since. Sweet and sour chicken has turned into chicken nuggets no matter where you go. But I'm getting off the subject. Their chins, their egg rolls, they were the best too. So good that I made a rubber mold out of them a long time ago. This is one of Chin's egg rolls. So it was a double part casting, right? So you put them together, and this is what their egg roll used to look like. Look at the size. They don't make them like this anymore. Anyway, why don't we put this together and make it look like an egg roll? So here's our egg roll, and now I want it to look like an egg roll. So it's plaster, and I'm thinking I'm going to put some amber shellac on this and see what it looks like. You want to get that crunchy, baked in, crispy look around the edges. Ladies and gentlemen, last seen was 1976. I give you the original Chin's egg roll. Look at how nice and full it was. Look at how crispy and crunchy it was. Handmade and filled with delicious foods inside. Sure do miss them. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you a relic of Stanford, Chin's. Their famous egg rolls.